Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Tasleem. Narendra Modi has been sworn in as the Prime Minister for a third term as India's Prime Minister after BJP-led NDA secured a majority of 292 seats out of the 543 Lok Sabha seats in the recent election.
Mantri Shri Narendra Damodar Das Modi. मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा। मैं संघ के प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूंगा तथा मैं भय या पक्षपात, अनुराग या द्वेष के बिना सभी प्रकार के लोगों के प्रति संविधान और विधि के अनुसार न्याय करूंगा। मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि जो विषय संघ के प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में मेरे विचार के लिए लाया जाएगा अथवा मुझे ज्ञात होगा उसे किसी व्यक्ति या व्यक्तियों को तब के सिवाय जबकि प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों के सम्यक निर्वहन के लिए ऐसा करना अपेक्षित हो, मैं प्रत्यक्ष अथवा अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से संसूचित या प्रकट नहीं करूंगा।
Along with Prime Minister, a total of 30 ministers also were sworn in. This includes important leaders like Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Nirmala Sitharaman, S. Jaishankar, Nitin Gadkari, Mansukh Mandaviya, Piyush Goyal, Ashwini Vaishnav, Dharmendra Pradhan, Bhupendra Yadav, Shivraj Chauhan, Prahlad Joshi, Kiran Rijiju, etc. from BJP. The alliance parties of NDA include Ram Mohan Naidu and Chandrasekhar of Telugu Desam Party, Lalan Singh Ramnath Thakur of JDU, H.D. Kumaraswamy of JDS, Chirag Paswan of LJP, Pratap Rao Jadhav of Shiv Sena Shinde Group, Jayant Chaudhary of RLD and Ramdas Athavale. The total strength of the Council of Ministers of the new government is estimated to be 78 to 81 members. Meanwhile, Rahul Gandhi has been elected as the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha. And Rahul Gandhi has said that India Alliance will perform well as an opposition in the new government. As the nation will receive a new federal government on Sunday, the citizens of Margao join hands demanding that there should be no tinkering with the Constitution of India and that no hooliganism should be allowed in this democratic country. They highlighted that this awareness is in response to the corrupt deeds done by the government in its previous tenure.
आमी हांगा एकठांय जावपाक कारण म्हणल्यार न्यू गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म जाता आनीक आमी फाटल्या गव्हर्मेंटाचे जे हें आशिल्ले कर्म आशिल्ले कारनामे आशिल्ले ते आमी एक्सपिरियन्स केल्ले एंटायर कंट्रीन आनीक जो वोटींग जाल्लो आहा तो एगेन्स्ट दीस गव्हर्मेंट वीच वॉज फॉलोईंग डिविजीव पॉलिटिक्स वीच वॉज आउट टू डिस्ट्रॉय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आनी त्या कारणाक लागून आमी हो एक डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन दवरला आज जेन्ना ऑन द बॅकग्रावंड वेन द गव्हर्मेंट इज बींग स्वन इन न्यू गव्हर्मेंट जेन्ना फॉर्म जाता तेन्ना आनी हें कारण म्हणल्यार कितें तांकां परतून याद दिवपाक की आमचो हो जो लढो आसा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सेफगार्ड करपाचो हो कंटिन्यू कायम उरतलो आनी एट द सेम टायम लोकांकूय एक मेसेज दिवपाक की आमी आमचें काम सोंपूना आमी जो तांचो जो प्रयत्न आशिल्लो की 400 पार आनी हे सगळे घोशणा दिताले ते गव्हर्मेंट जावपाक तो आमी तांचो असफल केलो प्रयत्न पूण तितल्यान आमी रेस्ट घेवपाक शकना कित्याक आमकां फुडल्या हेका आनी कितलेशे चॅलेंजीस आसात आनी हे चॅलेंजीस आमकां फेस करपा पडटले आनी आमकां एलर्ट रावपा पडटलें मेन म्हणल्यार जेन्ना असले कसले प्रयत्न जाता जे लोकांक डिवायड करपा सारके आमचेर अन्याय करपा सारके लोकांचेर अन्याय करपा सारके कॉर्पोरेट जे लॉबी आसा तांकां फायदो करून बारीक लोकांक जो त्रास दिवपा सारके असलें कितें हाडटा जाल्यार आमकां रस्त्यार येवपाक पडटलें आनीक आमचो इंट्रस्ट आसा तो आमी सांबाळपाक आनी चड करून कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सेफगार्ड करपाक त्या खातीर आमी हांगा आसा.
The newly constructed concrete road built by Imagine Panjim Smart City Development Limited at the Kakulo Junction developed cracks. The work is still in progress and hasn't been thrown open to vehicular traffic.
The rains have revealed the sad truth about the Smart City project in Panjim. As the monsoon commences across the state, heavy showers have caused significant damage to the state. One such major damage is the roads built by the Smart City officials near Kakulo Junction. Panjim developed cracks. Although the authorities failed to complete the works on time, the substandard works have proved the negligence of the authorities in getting the work completed on time. For Herald TV.
The heavy downpour on Sunday has resulted in flooding in Panjim, leaving the residents and locals facing difficulty in walking. The IMD Goa had issued a red and orange alert for the state as monsoons have begun. Frustrated locals raised questions on the pre-monsoon works done by the Smart City authorities, as no provisions are made for water to exit.
जे इतून भरले ते
चड वेळ पावस पडना न्हू म्हणून एक वर कित्याक पडला
पडोंक ना आतां पडपाचें आसा
कोण येयल्ले CCBचे बीन
आं
CCBचे कोण येयल्ले
कोणूच येवंक ना ते कांय करून फायदो ना लोक एरिया हांगा
हां
तेका लागून ते कांय जायत ना ते
पूण स्मार्ट सिटीन काम हें केल्लें न्हू म्हणून रस्ते
हय
गटर बिटर उस्तिल्ले न्हू तरी
सगळे करून सुद्दां वापरता न्हू उदक
एवरी हेड सिच्युएशन सेम
हय तें ना ते कांय फायदो ना गव्हर्मेंटाक ते सुचना हिल आनी ते बॉटम एरिया न्हू गोंयान तेका लागून जाता ते
तुमची शॉपूय मातशें सकयल आसा न्हू
हय सकयली हय आतां पळय आमचे उदक घेवले तेंचे आजुनूच घेवंक ना आतां तुमी
ते गटारां उचलूंक ना म्हणून भरता.
केले तेणे हाय लेवल फुटपाथ केले पळय ते तुमी दिश्टी पडटा थंय सुद्दां ते करपाचें न्हू थंय करूंक ना तेंचें उदक आजुनूय थंय उरलां पळय
अर्द्याक देंवला उदक
आं
अर्दें उदक उरला
उरला कित्याक थंय तेणेन फुटपाथ बांदूंक ना हांगासून हांगा बांदले ते गुजरातसून हांगा मागीर थंय सुद्दां बांदपाक जाय न्हू थंय बांदूंकूच ना घरा पळय हातीन ते बकेट घेवन वायपर घेवन क्लीन करपाचें आनी उपयोग कांय ना कोणाक ब्लेम करून आतां फायदो ना लोक स्मार्ट रावले न्हू सगळे स्मार्ट जातले मागीर कोणूच स्मार्ट ना म्हणल्यार जाल्यार प्रॉब्लेम येतले मागीर
Lotli Panchayat held their Gram Sabha meeting on Sunday to discuss major issues, mainly open spaces, ground development and Comunidad land. The locals also raised the problem of the officials collecting the fees for the street lights as part of the tax. The Panchayat body has assured the locals to address their problem and bring a solution.
ग्राम सभा आमगेले पॉयंट आहलेले एक म्हळ्यार रिगार्डींग ओपन स्पेसीस सेकेंड आहले आमगे ते ग्राउंड डेवलपमेंटाक लागून कोमुलदाद ते 114 तेंगे नांव येवपा लागून तेणी जोणकास एड करपा लागून तेणी एप्लिकेशन तें डिस्कशन जाता
सोपो कलेक्शन इज नॉट कलेक्टेड फॉर 3 years म्हणटा आतां
सोपो कलेक्शन आतां हाडले एका गांवांना करतले हे फाटी करतले आमी
that is a major income for the panchayat. Now why it was not collected?
लास्ट टाइम आसा येना ती देऊन स्टार्ट करून आले
होय
म्हाका दिसता 2-3 years जाली दिसता तेणी सोपो कलेक्शन स्टार्ट केलें ना जाल्यार
okay
सो आतां हे टायमा
okay there was one issue which was raised की बिलाचेरूय तुम्ही ट्रेड हाऊस टॅक्स कलेक्ट करताय तेजे मेन्शन केलेले ना हाऊस टॅक्स कलेक्ट करताय तेजे स्ट्रीट लायटीचे चार्ज करताय प्लस आता न्यू बिलाचे इलेक्ट्रीक बिलाचेरूय ते इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चार्ज करताय
लायट पयलीं पंचायत मेंटेनन्स करताली पयलीं सो आतां डायरेक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट करता सो आतां आमी ग्रामसभे तेंगे नोट करून घेयला सो सेम विल बी प्लेस्ड इन द बॉडी मिटींग घालून आमी काडपा ट्राय
ओके 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 एंड अनदर लास्ट पॉइंट तेच भाशेन इंडस्ट्री टॅक्स आहा इंडस्ट्री अराउंड 48 फॅक्टरीज आहाय सो तेंकाय तुमी लेटर धाडले फॉर कलेक्शन ऑफ टॅक्स
एक्चुअली आम IDC हितून गेल्ले तेंकां विचारपा लायक आमगे डिमार्केशन विचारपा आमी खंयची कंपनी आमच्या अंडर येताय बट तेंचे सायडीन आमकां कन्फर्मेशन अशें कांय मेळना अमकी आमकां पडलें
ओके
Sagun for Herald TV.
The enhancement of the existing 200 kVA to a 400 kVA distribution transformer center was inaugurated at Gulmohar Park near Joggers Park in Chikali on Saturday evening. The capacity enhancement of the transformer will be completely ready in the next 10 days.
With the frequent power failure experienced by the Chiklam residents, the much-anticipated upgradation of the existing 200 kVA transformer into a 400 kVA distribution transformer was done on Saturday. The current transformer had been providing low voltages and causing frequent power outages, impacting the community significantly.
We have enhanced the capacity of the transformer from 200 to 400. Next 10 days it will be ready. There was very low voltage and so many power outages. People were inconvenienced. And I myself was witness few days ago. There and there in the night itself I contacted my engineers and they readily agreed to carry on this work.
In a narcotic raid conducted on Saturday, the Calangut police arrested accused John alias João Antonio Lopez, age 53 years, for illegal possession of narcotic drug heroin weighing 4.6 grams worth rupees 46,000 approximately near Dolphin Circle, Naikvado, Calangut.
On Saturday, a narcotic raid was conducted near Dolphin Circle, Naikavado, Calangut. During the raid, accused John alias João Antonio Lopez, age 53 years, was arrested for illegal possession of narcotic drugs heroin weighing 4.6 grams worth 46,000 rupees approximately. As per credible information received by Calangut police station, one male person will be coming to deliver narcotic drugs to his prospective customers. Accordingly, a raid was conducted by Calangut police in the presence of Panchas. A case has been registered of offence under the provisions of NDPS Act, 1985. Further investigation is in progress under the supervision of Pai Paresh Naik of Calangut Police Station with overall supervision of STPO Purvoram Vishwesh Karpe and SP North, Akshat Kaushal, IPS.
In a thrilling climax to the inter-ward tournament organized by the Abuja boys, the Dados boys emerged victorious, defeating the Alpha boys 1-0 in front of a large weekend crowd.
The inter-ward tournament match started with Alpha boys displaying great enthusiasm and determination to score the first goal. Their efforts, however, were meticulously countered by the well-prepared defense of the Dados boys, resulting in a goalless first half. The second half saw a revitalized Dados boys side bursting with vigor. Their persistence paid off when Preeton broke the deadlock, putting Dados boys in the lead. Alpha boys, in their quest for an equalizer, advanced their team but were not able to break Dados' defense led by Kevin. Dados boys claimed victory over Alpha boys by 1-0. Inacio for Herald TV.
That's all we have in this newscast. Thanks for watching Herald TV. Take care and goodbye.